This was the situation at Gikomba Market, whereby the large rains faded away the smiles of many, leaving others traumatized and confused on the steps to undertake. Vehicles were seen struggling to pass the roads as a lot of water flowed through the entire road, and others rescued by two-wheel vehicle commonly known as mkokoteni to pass through the waters. At South P, it was not far from the scenes at Gikomba. Here, there was seen more overflowing water on the roads, making the vehicles to find it hard to pass through. Pedestrians struggled, passing through the same case applying to cyclists and motorbike riders. These scenes are seen after Nairobi ministry failed to grant wishes of citizens, giving false promises, failing to open sewages for water to flow smoothly. Earlier, Governor Johnson Sakaja promised to open sewages all over the city, but their project is currently underway, contractor claiming no enough funds in the county. Smart News TV, Bernard Mwase.